Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
This guide teaches 3 main ways to link a file into Excel workbooks. You can create a clickable hyperlink, an embedded object, or a live data link. Hyperlinks point to a file path or web address and open the file instantly. Embedded objects store file copies inside the workbook and increase file size. Live data links use getData or data connections to refresh external content automatically. I will show steps for Excel 2016, Excel 2019, and Microsoft 365 versions. Follow along and practice with a sample spreadsheet to learn. To add a hyperlink, select a cell, then press Ctrl+K or use Insert Link. Enter a full file path or paste a web address and click OK. Hyperlinks do not increase workbook size and update immediately when clicked. To embed a file, go to Insert, choose Object, then select Create from File. Check Display as Icon to show an icon instead of file contents in cell. Embedded files increase workbook size by the file's actual byte count. Practice both methods using a small 1 MB sample file first. To create a live data link, use getData from File and choose Excel. Select the workbook, choose the table or sheet, and click Load or Transform Data. Use Refresh All or set Automatic Refresh every 60 minutes in Connection Properties. Switch to external links by Edit Links to update sources or break links completely. Relative paths help when moving linked files together inside the same folder structure. Enable workbook links only from trusted sources to avoid unsafe external content.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.